Hi, my name is Izaskun. I'm a local guide in Mallorca Urban Adventures, and today I'm going to show you the best street food in Palma. Let's go! This street food is the llonguet and is the typical bread from Palma. I love it because it's simple but genuine and fresh. Actually, I like the one with sobrasada, that is the typical Mallorcan sausage. You can find it in the traditional bakeries of Palma and also in bakeries all around the island. It costs between 2 and 4 euros, depends on what you put inside, but this place is one of the cheapest in town. So this is Forn de la Gloria. This is one of the most traditional places in Palma, and it's located in the Forn de la Gloria street that takes the name from this place actually. At last I have my street food. Don't forget to come to Forn de la Gloria to have the best llonguet in Palma, and now I'm going to enjoy it.